Hello friends, this video for who before work in Singapore, work permit and S-Pass. So everyone know about COVID-19 situation. So very difficult ready now come back to Singapore. So many my friend also go back ready India or Bangladesh or other countries before lockdown and after lockdown, but now want to come again Singapore for work pass or S pass. So friends, this video about come back Singapore now very difficult because MOM some strict rule ready come back to Singapore because everyone know about COVID-19 situation. So today I main reason making this video because if you want work permit or S pass Singapore, who want come to Singapore again. So friends, you need to choose only by MOM registered agency or agent, because now Singapore come back very difficult. So I listen some people no have any registered agency. These people making fake Facebook page and fake WhatsApp group and send you message have job vacancy. So friends, no believe that kind of people. Many my friend asking about how to check IPA real or fake. So friends, when any agency or agent send you your IPA, first thing you check MOM website your IPA, you writing your application date and passport number and PIN number. Very easily you can check your IPA real or fake. Already I am making ready one video, you can check my playlist how to check Singapore IPA. So that video you can easily understand how to check S-Pass or IPA real or fake. So friends, because this time so many people have make fraud, this so many people no have any employment agency, just talk to you, I apply for you paper, you also believe and you give your paper, and this person send you fake IPA, use Photoshop your name writing, so you believe and you pay ready agency fees. So friends, if you have this time Singapore IP, first thing you check your IPA or S-Pass in detail on MOM website, and second thing you need to pay also on bank account. You no pay anyone by cash, because if you pay by bank account, so if someone fraud, so you can very easily make police complaint, because this time very difficult ready this situation. Come back Singapore, if you today have IPA, so you must waiting 1 or 2 months after you can come here Singapore, because you when you get IPA, then your company need to apply for you quarantine or approval for MOM. So if your company apply for you, so after MOM now this situation give you time 1 month or 2 months after this. Meaning if you company today apply, so you get date come in Singapore, I think next 1 month or 2 month. I today this video making because some my friends pay ready money in India, no here Singapore, pay ready India agent, and until now these people no give any paper or anything, nothing. My friend call also that agent, but this agent no answer the call. Agent block ready my friend number also. So friends, if you IEP coming, so must you check first MOM website, then you can show ready IPA real or fake. So this one have India agent, yeah, this one no have Singapore, this one India agent, or my friend also transfer money India bank account. IPA also agent making by Photoshop, he writing my friend name in the paper, but this paper all are duplicate, no real one IPA. This video I making just aware all of you, if you apply Singapore permit or S-Pass, you must choose a registered agency or agent, and you pay money also only bank account inside. Don't pay cash. If you pay India, this one also you must pay to a bank account inside, because if someone can make fraud, you can very easily make police complaint with proof. So but if you pay cash, you cannot do anything. So friends, this video just I aware this thing. Now Singapore comeback very difficult. So if you want comebacks, must choose MOM registered agency or agent. Share this video all your friend who want come again Singapore. So must be careful, no lose your money. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.